This is Toy Dr. Danielle, and my mom just bought me these super cool two Ninjago sets. One's a spinning one and one's a figure one. Let's get started. Whoa. This is so cool. Here's the manual and the Ninjago book. Is there anything else? Oh, check out these mini weapons that I was telling you about. What do you think so far? The guy's inside with his mask. It's like a robot. Let's turn around the manual. So now that I've made it, I'm going to show you the back. And whoa! Check out all these cool weapons. You know what? I'm going to show you something cool. Okay, so this part over here, you have two of these. So you can put one like this and put the other like this. And so you have your own staff. Basically, I can make different types of cool weapons. See? The Ninjago spinner. Whoa. Phew, that almost took forever, but luckily we finished it! Yay! Now, time to press the button. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! You guys see that? It just went like so fast. It was awesome. And for all those Lego lovers out there, just remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also, definitely buy this. It is terrific, tremendous, and extraordinary. And that's it for now, guys.